Alicia Botley. And the flower show was an enormous success. And even though Sir Topham Hatt had said the carpet wasn't magic, Percy and Gordon were not so sure.
Absolutely love to dance. There's something magical about getting ready for a big performance. The stage is set for dancing and excitement in the Magic of Dance video. You won't believe what happens when Miss Lily comes to dinner, and it's even more fun when William practices his new magic trick on me.
Tails and whiskers.
Gosh, she's really disappeared. And you'll see the time I borrowed my mother's necklace and lost it.
Angelina, your mum did say you could borrow her locket, didn't she?
Well, not exactly. Be sure to watch the Silver Locket video to find out what happened. In the big performance video, you won't believe who I danced for. Queen Seraphina of Mouseland.
Angelina is a real star.
So don't miss my big performances on video. And remember, if you follow your dreams, you could be a star too.
We're live from the Bobblesburg Winter Games.
As television stations prepare to broadcast to the world, join Bob and the Machines in an exciting snowy adventure. Meet Benny, new to the team.
Unreal banana peel.
When the mountain pass gets snowed under, will Bob get the courses built in time for the opening ceremony?
Oh no!
It's their biggest challenge ever. Can they build it? Coming to DVD and VHS, fall 2004.
The mighty shark wants to star in his own movie. Arr, arr, arr.
The mighty movie star,
That's me.
the hero of the movie,
That's me.
goes flying through the air to rescue Miss Winona like this.
That's me.
Don't miss the Rubba Dubbers. In Finbar, the mighty movie star. Plus, 4 more fantastic stories. Now available from Hit Entertainment.
Yippee-ki-yi-yi-oh! Get ready to bootsy down the Wiggly Trail.
Hi everyone, we're the Wiggles. Why don't you saddle up and come along with us?
There's a heap of Western adventure, musical fun.
All the sights and sounds of the Wiggly Trail. This is going to be great fun, guys. First things first, whatever you do, don't get distracted by the fun and games.
The mechanical ball.
Fastest banana in the West competition.
I love bananas.
Oh, there's only room in this town for one big banana.
Get along now, partner, and round up some Wild West fun with the Wiggles. The Wiggles, cold spaghetti western.